Alrighty, so for week 5, I already have all the content released, but I'm going to have a video as part of the announcement here just to give you an example of a good proof of work because many of you in your week 4, your cyber chase did a really nice job. Some of you struggled with this. And remember, this is your proof of effort. This shows me it shows me your thinking process. It shows me the effort that you're putting into actually getting to what you feel is the right query, the right SQL to solve the problem. And so, like I saw a many good example. I'm going to show you David's example, and this is actually from week 4 attendance, but it gives you a feel for it. One thing is when I'm looking at David's output, and this is how I look at it. And by the way, once you push to GitHub, you could do the same: is pull up your README file and what I see is a heading for, which problem he's working on. I see the query that he tried, the error that he got, and then what he tried next, right? And then what he tried next and what he tried next. And then he got some output, which is awesome. So he's getting closer. But this, when I look through here, I see your progression of thought. Okay. And this is so important. If I'm not seeing something like this type of example, you're not giving me what I'm asking for, right? And this is why I'm asking for it because this shows your thinking analytical skills developing as you're reading problems and answering it with SQL. Right now, in this case, he finally, and it said, okay, now, and the only thing I would say, and I'm still going to give this an A, is when you actually got here, and actually in my feedback to David, I showed him why he got this type of output. But you don't have to give me all of it. Give me just some of the output. But that would be everything else stellar. I gave this an A, and I want you to know what I look for, right? And these are backticks. So the other thing is the way this is formatted, right? So I don't recommend, but I'm just going to show you. So backticks and then backticks at the very end. So for every problem, I should see a copy of what you did on the terminal to get to your solution. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.